How to forget password on Honor 400 5G. Unlock and reset options. Method 1. Factory reset via settings. Step 1. Open settings. Navigate to your device's settings. Step 2. System settings. Scroll down and select System. Step 3. Reset options. Tap on Reset or Reset options. Step 4. Factory reset. Choose Erase all data. Factory reset. Step 5. Confirm. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm and initiate the reset. Method 2. Hard reset via recovery mode. Step 1. Power off. Ensure the device is powered off. Step 2. Enter recovery mode. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously. Release both buttons when the Honor logo appears. Step 3. Navigate in recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. Select Wipe Data. Factory reset. Confirm by selecting Yes. Step 4. Reboot. Once the reset is complete, select Reboot System now.